Welcome to the Coastal Craft Film channel. Today we are going to be unboxing this Bellafina ABS cello case. I think it's made of plastic. I have a soft padded bag for my cello, but it's not really very safe if you're like traveling or you're going outside. It doesn't give that protection for your cello. So let's open this one. Here is the case. I'm going to show you how it looks like. This is the weight of the item. It's a really big package, so let's see. So I can pull it out. So it comes in this like black bag, fabric bag. Okay, so here you go. So that's the whole thing. It doesn't look as big as the box. So this is for a 4/4 cello. It's a full-size cello case. And you can see the wheels. Zoom it out. So as you can see, this case actually stands by itself. It's pretty cool. Here's the feature. This one snaps. It has a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Maybe if there's more here. There you go. So there's my cello next to it. It actually looks pretty nice. That's the full look. So the back has okay, so let's open up. So there are two handles on the sides. Let's try to, I'm gonna lie it down so you can see what it looks like inside. So they have a more expensive one, which is the carbon fiber case, but I really don't need something like that. My cello is just a beginner cello, so I just needed something that would protect it, like for traveling, and I think this would just work fine. There's actually latches all over so around the case, there's latches all around it. So I have opened all the latches, and this is how it looks like inside. Let me lean it on the wall because I don't want it to break. So there you go. The inside is padded. There's a foam in here. Silica gels. So it's inside here. So there is some straps in here. There's two straps, so you could wear it like a backpack. That's why there were, so these are straps for the back. So as you can see, oops, there are some, so you could attach the straps over there. So that's what it is for. So let's check out what else is here. There is a key. What is this? What is this for? I'm not sure what this is for, but I think this is for the neck. Maybe a neck support. And there's another foam. There's really no instruction in this package, so I'm just gonna figure it out by doing it. In total, we have 3 square foams here. There's another one over there. So I'm going to start with putting in the accessories inside the bag. So we have this. Let's get my cello out. This is pretty dusty, so I'm going to dust it really quick before putting it in. Okay, so I have dusted the cello. Let's see if it will fit. Okay, there you go. It's perfect. So that's really nice. I think I would have to put another.
Can you have that?
No, it's for the cello, Abe. I think you're supposed to put that over here. So there is a strap in here where you can strap the neck of your cello. What else? There is, what is this for? Oh, okay, let's see, there's a strap over here. Okay, I'm not really sure where to put this, so just try to put it over here, the neck area, probably here. So let's try to close it. Okay, so it actually closed. Squeezed a couple of accessories like the tuner, the strap, and am I able to fit this here? Okay, so now so I finally figure out these two straps are for your bows, your cello bow. So there's a holder over here and another over here, and you strap it over here. So let's close it up. Okay, so now is the tricky part. You have to align it.
I cannot believe it.
So that's 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me flip it over. So that's 6. Oops. 7, 8, 9. I think there's 10. Make sure it's closing properly.
And last one here.
And there's my stand, the dusty stand. Okay, so let's stand it up carefully. It's huge. So when you're like walking with it, you could just carry it. It has wheels on the bottom.
That's nice.
So you can transport it in smooth surfaces. Probably not on rough surfaces because it's gonna scratch the bottom. But I am pretty happy with this purchase. It's a very good deal.
Oh, you could use this.
And they're offering 20% off right now at Musician's Friend. That's where I got it, and I'll link that in the description. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.